number on its own when they just release it is not particularly meaningful, and I think we really have to add a whole lot of caveats to that particular value.
A lot of talk is happening around the 5-day test positivity rate, and now that Manitoba's number is above that 3% threshold, you may feel it's time for doom and gloom, but some specialists are saying that we got to slow down and look at the finer details.
We use that as a threshold to start to be concerned, but we don't use it as the only thing.
The 5-day test positivity rate is a depiction of the amount of positive tests amongst all tests done in a 5-day span. But that number is based upon province-wide testing, not testing by specific health regions. So it won't necessarily tell you what the risk is in the Winnipeg health region over, say, the Southern health region. It can also be affected by variables. When contacts of a confirmed positive case are asked to go get tested, that can bump up the number, but not accurately reflect how prevalent cases are province-wide.
It doesn't necessarily mean there's a lot of community transmission. So that's why there's a lot of controversy here, because the number itself means nothing. It depends on what those people are being tested for.
This begs the question, what tangible information does the 5-day test positivity rate bring, and who finds value in it?
That 3% doesn't have much to do with you, but it has a lot to do with provincial planning about resources.
Dr. Kelly McDonald says the number reflects potential hospital occupancy, and in a province with centralized health care, that's important.
Winnipeg provides the bulk of the tertiary care for the province, so that's why we try to centralize the thinking.
The message, pay attention to the numbers, but also what the Chief Provincial Health Officer has to say about them.
The positive test rate is a difficult one, so I'm not sure when we'll be able to reliably report on that region by region. There's some difficulties with being sure about the denominator on those things, so I don't have those numbers.
We have to accept that there's going to be a lot of variables and that there is no single number that we can just hang our hat on and say, if you hit that, guaranteed you've got sustained community transmission and you should be shifting to an orange level or to a red level.
One thing that we are being warned about, keeping the active case count down, especially as we inch closer to flu season.
We went from the lowest now to the highest disease rate per capita in the country.
In Winnipeg, Mike Albanese, City News.